Hello guys, कैसे हो? ఎలా ఉన్నారు? Hope everyone is doing great. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing my new Hyundai Venue. Guys, this is new Hyundai Venue SXO. This is the top variant and I am going to show the interior. This is the Hyundai Venue SXO top variant and this is diesel manual. Guys, this is the 4 power windows and window lock. The button is window lock and this is the auto closing mirror. This is the adjustment to the mirrors. See guys, this is the front when we will look the car. This is the instrument cluster. Now we will on the car. See guys, this is the city of the car. See guys, this is volume control up and down and we can keep mute, and this is the changing to the songs or anything. We can lift the call and we can cut the call. This is voice cancel and this is we can change FM to Bluetooth to radio. And here we will get the cruise control and we can increase the speed and decrease the speed. This is cancel the cruise control, and this instrument cluster button, and we can keep it to 3 flashes or 5 flashes. 5 flashes and 7 flashes. I have selected 3 flashes and we have to press OK and we have to go back. This is a service interval for how many kilometers we can select and we can keep it. See guys, now I have to click this and I have to adjust 10,000 kilometers or 12 months. See guys, this is the other features. We can select fuel economy unit and temperature unit. Okay, we have to go back again, and there is language and we can reset total settings, and this is cruise control and we can increase and decrease and we can cancel. This is 6-speed manual transmission and 1 for reverse, total 7 gears for this car. And this is the handbrake, and they gave one air purifier. We can on and we can increase, we can decrease. And see guys, this is my iPhone 12. Now see guys, this is the wireless charger, and this is circle in AC control unit. This is we can increase and we can decrease for on AC or non AC. This is auto AC and we can off the AC. We can select for legs or faces and for windows. This is front window and this is rear window. We have to press setup, and they gave blue link, navigation, general, media, device connection, advanced, sound, display, and this they gave voice recognize. We can go to general and we can change time, date and language, and keyboard, screen server, digital lock or analog lock, version update. When we want update the car, we have to press update and it will update. If any press system info, anything problem in the car, it will show here, and we'll go back. And this is navigation, colors we can change it, and guidance, route, reset info, and device connection, Bluetooth connection, Bluetooth system info, reset, auto, Android Auto, CarPlay Auto. They in Venue SX or SXO, they both support CarPlay and Android Play. This is display. We can increase the brightness and blue light brightness. This is small storage they gave for the car. This mirror, and we can press SOS for blue link, and they give one blue link button, and when our car will give the trouble, we have to press this, and we will get this. When we will add the blue link, they can check in the map where we are, and they will come and they will take car in showroom. See guys, this is the sunroof of the car, and this is the button of sunroof. See guys, this is the button of the sunroof. Once we will press the back, and it will open. We'll push this button for front, and it will close the sunroof. And this we have to do manual. This is one USB port, and this is another USB socket for charging phones which didn't have wireless charger, and we can open it like this. And same this and this is same. These both are same. We have wireless charger, means we can keep like this and open this, and the front boot will open.